Hi, welcome back to STTS Fab. Kevin with you. If you watched last week's video, we started taking apart this 1967 Benelli. This week we're gonna start fabbing some parts for it and working on getting it back together. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe. You want to see more stuff like this, and we'll get to it here. Alright, for the battery, I measured the one that was in the Grom and designed a little battery tray for that. Pretty much the same design as this, although I did add 2 holes. So I'll just do a bolt on, make it a little easier, and I'm gonna head over to the shop and we'll cut that out, bend it, and go from there. Alright, so over at the shop, I got the battery tray loaded up, got the G code written. We'll go ahead and get this set up, and we'll go ahead and cut this out. Alright, right there's the tray. We'll pull this out, bend those tabs up, and then that will get it welded on the back side there. I'm gonna hit these holes with a chamfer tool there. I'm not running the back edges, I just put a mark on there. Just gonna center it there and now we'll get that clamped down and weld them 2 pieces together. Where did that? Oh, it's hitting the clamp underneath. There we go. I got that. Alright, so we'll let this cool off, and I guess probably this side will clean up the backside a little bit, and we'll head back over to the house and work on cutting off the old one and getting this attached. Alright, so I got that cut off. I'm gonna clean those tacks off, and then we'll get this up there. And alright, I punched the holes. Well, line them out, hit with the punch. Got that there. Now I gotta figure out how to drill them. I think I have some really long drill bits. I can get them out, and hopefully I can get a drill in there. Alright, I got that drilled out to 1/2 inch now, and I'll turn some pieces on the lathe and do some inserts for this to sit on and bolt into. That way we've got a nice strong mount for that. Alright, so I got those turned. They'll drop right down in there. And we'll weld them in. I do need to clean off all the oil off of these and that, so I'll get those cleaned and we'll get them welded in there. Alright, so I got everything cleaned up. I bolted these on, measured gaps on them so they're the same. So I can just drop it in, line it straight there, and then we'll get some tacks on it, and then we can unbolt it and weld it all the way around. Alright, now I'll unbolt that and be able to weld all the way around it. Alright, I didn't want to mess up the paint too bad, but looks like it is getting messed up. Alright, so right there's the battery tray done, mounted. It's detachable, so if I ever do change battery size again, it'll just be 2 bolts, make a new one. And that will probably be it for this week. I'm working on this. So just thanks for watching. Check out our store. We're constantly trying to put stuff on there. And don't forget to like and subscribe.